Thank you very much indeed. I have a gentleman number far left there.
Mr. President, Mr. President, it's very interesting actually Somalia. The most important is security. We actually support your political invasion by parties, terrorists, and warlords. There is a contradiction. In central region of Somalia, last week, 21 of last month, your interior minister have announced it. The warlord should be led in Galmudug. So how can you, warlord is leading Galmudug as a president, illegal president. So how can you repair that problem?
Hassan, the case of in the post-conflict environment, we do not agree the history. The hero of someone is the warlord of another. We have known world warlords whereby the international has branded them as the warlords, but still some constituencies, they are the heroes who defended their people, the heroes who defended the prestige of the clan, and so on. So having someone to give that name sometimes is not an easy matter. The process of extending the governance system all over Somalia has nothing to do with what is existing in the ground. If the definition of warlord is someone that has got a militia, then we have a countless number of warlords in Somalia. And my government, we have no choice but to deal with them. We don't want to address everything with the barrel of the gun, use the gun, violence against violence. What we are trying is that those who claim that they represent someone, some community, some claim that they represent someone, some community, some clans, we need, our first approach is to address and open a dialogue with them if that is attractive to them. If that does not work, then time will